How to unsave a post on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unsave a post on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click the storylines in the top corner and then click see your profile, and here just go to your saved post and click this 3 points, and here you will find the unsaved post. If you already save this post, just click and save, and as you see now, this post has been saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.